Hi, my name is John Martin with Shaheem Ruth Martin and Fonville Real Estate. I am one of the 4 owners of our firm. Today we're talking about our Williamsburg location that just launched. We are in March of 2022. We're proud to have our newest spot of 5 offices. One of the reasons we wanted to be down at Merchant Square in the city of Williamsburg, right next to the College of William and Mary campus, was we felt like, not for foot traffic necessarily, but the identity for our entire company. Our locations are in Richmond, Irvington, and Williamsburg, and that triangle is good for our clients because we all identify with each other and share different properties and buyers and sellers, so it's a nice network. We also know, and just from growing up here in Williamsburg, everybody identifies with Colonial Williamsburg, no matter where you are in the United States. So no better place to open up an office than down here. So we're real happy to be here.